Hello beautiful people, how are you? My name is Ditza, welcome here on my channel. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ditza and today I want to show you my monthly subscription from Knitcrate, United States of America. I have already opened the package. I'm sorry, I cannot keep myself on opening the package. It's a November subscription and it's my second eco-friendly subscription, but this time I have switched from sock crate to the normal crate. Okay, let's not take it too long and let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we have November 2020. The theme is chiaroscuro, and this theme is celebrating the thoughtful, pensive mood that a late autumn month brings to mind. Deep violets, soft spruce greens, rich charcoal, and natural neutrals. So they have this month as an knitting influencer partner, Vesuvius Crafts, and they are creating accessories and handmade apparel for men and women. You can also download from the free patterns from them. Okay, so let's see what we have received. This one I have already winded because I want to make already something from it, and I want to make some mittens because it has the perfect weight and quantity for mittens for a pair of mittens. And this is one. It's Vidalana Ambient Worsted by Knitcrate. It's been made especially for Vesuvius Crafts and is 100% Peruvian Highland wool. One skein contains 50 grams, which is 100 yards or 91 meters. You have to hand wash only and lay flat to dry. No problem for that. This is a very beautiful blue. It's exactly, you can see exactly the color. I mean, it's not ice, it's a little ice blue, but it is really beautiful, and I can assure you it is really, really soft. Normally and usually, and it's always like that, Peruvian Highland wool, it's incredibly soft, like air when you touch it. It's naturally strong and a very beautiful fiber. It's used in high-end fashion and focused in being hand knit, and regularly it's used in making shawls, scarves, socks, ponchos, capes, mittens. Also because Peruvian Highland wool, it's a very qualitative, very high qualitative wool, and I can tell you some 9 benefits of this wool, and I have received four mittens. 4 pairs of mittens, of course. One benefit, the first one, is that it's soft, and it is really, really soft. It's warm and cozy. It keeps your body temperature under control. What it means that this wool has a tendency to stop retaining air when your body heats up after a certain point. Then it releases the air and cools down, so your body temperature will cool down as well. It has also the property to moisture absorption about 30%. Look how beautiful colors. Beautiful, isn't it? They are great. About 30%. Odor resistance, because I can tell you this and also merino wool are the perfect wool for long outdoor works. It's washable, but usually you don't wash wool as sooner as a normal fiber, like, I don't know, cotton, because it repels smell, bacteria, and even regular stains. It keeps its shape, so that's why it's perfect for mittens, because you can wear them daily. This is another benefit. You can wear this type of wool daily, not like a normal wool that you have to alternate. One day you wear it, one day you don't wear it. I'm sorry. This type of wool, you can wear it daily without any problem, because it has this elasticity. It's super elastic. It's a very super elastic fiber, and it is also perfect for people who have sensitive skin, because it has an UV protection. The fiber traps light and filters out ultraviolet rays of the sun upon contact. So what do you want most from this beautiful wool? What else I have received? A pen from Knitcrate. And no, you can never have enough pens, really. And here should be light, or what? How does it work? I have no idea how it works. It's a light. Maybe in the night I can see it, huh? Who knows? Okay. So I will start making my mittens, and I am hoping to be able to make a video super fast to come back with my impressions, because it's the first time I'm using Highland Peruvian wool, and I am super duper curious to see how the wool will behave. Thank you all for watching. I wish you a very wonderful day and week and weekend, because it's close, and take care of you. Bye bye.